Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can adjust the left or right sound balance for phone speakers on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, swipe up to go down. In here, tap on accessibility. Then we go down and tap on hearing enhancements. Next, go down to the bottom and tap on the phone speakers slider bar. So tap on the slider bar to move the sound all the way to the right. Now the right is the speakers coming at the bottom of the phone in here. And if you adjust it to the left, then the sound will move to the top of the ear speaker at the top right here. So if you are watching movies, normally you hold your phone like this, and we can readjust the sound so that it is more to the right or more to the left. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.